Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this Lego modular build. It's the Jazz Club, which I decided to pick up before it was retired. And I'm really excited here because it's my first official Lego modular. So with 2,899 pieces, kit number 10,312, comes with 8 minifigs. I paid $230 for it. It's quite a bit, but if you wait until it retires, it's going to be $800 or over $1,000. So puts it out of the ballpark for me. However, you can find things like this, and this is the way I usually go, and I'm a huge supporter, even though it's controversial, of non-Lego builds. The controversy is these companies are copying Lego. Yeah, that's a tough one to deal with. I get it. Look at the price, $90. $90. So now I got it brand new for $230. I didn't feel so bad. But once it retires and it's $800 or $1,000, there's no way I'm spending that much for plastic bricks, and so I will go off-brand. So when I started building this, I really had no idea what it was other than a jazz club, and that's the way I do all of my builds. I did notice that the quality of the Lego pieces, much more vibrant in color, and they snap together in a very convincing way. Not enough for me to pay $800 more, but I did notice the difference in quality for sure. Lego does an amazing job. So I noticed, hey, there's a band in the corner. I didn't know that. There's a chef in the other side of the building. I wasn't sure what he was making until I started putting the pizza together and seeing the little shakers of Parmesan cheese and other seasonings. And the sign out front displaying the jazz band is playing. Got some chairs and some lights. I like I'm putting in my lighting here too. Brickloot Lighting is the company I buy my lights from, which I highly recommend. So I buy them first or at the same time so that I don't have to tear things back apart. I put the lights in as I go, which is so much more convenient. Like here, I'm flipping over this marquee sign and putting all the lights on the bottom before I install it the first time, which is awesome. So then you can hide the wires so much easier as you work through the build. Here's a good shot of the chef through the window doing his work. Upstairs, I'm not really sure what's there. So as I'm building, I'm really excited and looking forward to what could be upstairs. There was a tailor sign, something I saw this sewing machine, like, oh, this is the tailor's office. Turns out this is not. This is the manager's office for the jazz club. And so she has a gramophone record player to listen to some music while she works. She can mend little mend the curtains or mend some costumes, uniforms, things like that. Great glass, stained glass window colors in this building, and really love it. So off to the side, there's a tailor, and this is actually a true tailor company. He does the full-blown clothes repair and clothes making and designing. So it's a building that has a pizzeria. It has a jazz club. Upstairs, it has a manager's office. Here is on the 3rd floor. This is where the talent goes upstairs to practice, do their hair, put on their costumes and things like that, and actually rest. There's a couch there where they can rest between shows. And then the rooftop, it is pretty robust. Lots of detail up there on the very top, and it has a little greenhouse where the chef can go up to pick his fresh veggies for his pizza. Jazz Club sign has some lights behind it as well. That's what it looks like in the daytime, and that's what it looks like at night with the lights. Just brings it to life. I love it. So if you get a chance, build it. For now, Mr. Johns is out.